Hello. Today just a little video about a couple of features that came live very recently. One came out in the last few days, probably 2 or 3 days, and I'm referring about the Amazon Alexa app feature of Alexa Says. And the other feature is that finally the Amazon Echo app included the option to set up an alarm with something else than just a sound. You can select either a song or a service. Well, this is great, and this is something that I have been waiting for a long time. So the first feature is Alexa Says, and that is located under your routines section, which let's just go here to the Alexa app, and here you have the little hamburger menu. So we go there, and then you go here to routines, and then here I already have a few created. I'm just gonna go through the exercise of creating a new one, just that you are able to see where this Alexa Says routine is located. So you tap on the top right plus sign there, and then it will bring you to here. So as you can see here, you can select to start a new routine for Alexa to execute. Here you can select how you want your routine to start, like when you say something or a scheduled time. So when you come here now, you see all the different actions that the Amazon Echo can perform. And if you see here on the top left corner, there is a new option that says Alexa Says. So I was wondering what that was all about, and I was able to choose from it. And apparently this one is just the possibility that you select your Echo to say a specific phrase when it executes a routine. So this is kind of a little bit more fun feature for the Amazon Echo to give it a little bit more personality. So it has here, I'm assuming I haven't tested it, I will test it tonight, that it has some phrases that your Amazon Echo can say when performing a routine. So I'm gonna go back, and I already have a routine created. I have here this one: every day at 1 o'clock in the morning I have my night light to turn on. At 1 o'clock in the morning every day my Amazon Echo will turn on my bedroom light strip. Here I selected add action, and I already have selected it, but what I did is tapped here on Alexa Says, and then I just went and selected the phrase say good night, sleep tight. I'm assuming that when 1 o'clock in the morning comes and it turns on my light, it will also say good night. You select the phrase, and then you select on which Amazon Echo you want to perform this action. I just selected my main Echo, which is in my bedroom. But with this, when the light turns on, it will say this phrase as well. Actually, I think I can test it right now. I'm just gonna try it, see if it executes. Play.
Good night, sleep tight.
Yeah, well, that's it. It turns on my night light, and then Alexa will just say a nice phrase for me every day at night. That's a nice fun little feature. No added practicality to it, just a little bit to add some personality to the routines that the Echo can perform. And the other feature, which I think is the most important one, is the one to wake up using something different than a sound. This can be a song, or this can be a service. I think you can select any song that you want from Prime Music, or different service, Pandora, Sirius, TuneIn, a playlist from Spotify. The way you do this is by asking your Alexa to start this alarm, and let's see if we can set that up. Alexa, wake me up to Before You Go Go.
Alarm for what time?
5 o'clock in the morning.
Second alarm set for 5 a.m. tomorrow to wake me up before you go. Wham! On Spotify.
So I have selected my default music service to Spotify. So when I selected a song, it automatically selected the song from Wham from Spotify. And now I'm not gonna wake up to a song every day. I like it more to wake up to a service. So the way I'm gonna wake up every day is by using TuneIn. Alexa, wake me up to TuneIn.
Alarm for what time?
6:30 a.m.
Third alarm set for 6:30 a.m. tomorrow to Energy Zurich on TuneIn.
There it is. The alarms are set. Right now, if I go on my Alexa app and look for those alarms, I will go here, reminder alarms, and go to the alarm section, and I have my 3 alarms already set. So I have one set up for a song at 5 o'clock from Spotify to a music, and here you can specify this will be just a one-time alarm, but here you can change it to how you want it. If you want it to be an alarm that repeats on a certain basis, here you can select it. Or you have the option of every day, just the weekdays, weekends, or every week on a specific day. You can select it from there. So for these purposes, I'm going to delete that alarm because I don't need it, and I'm going to delete this one because I don't need it either. But I'm gonna leave the one at 6 o'clock in the morning because that's the one I want, and I will wake up to my favorite radio station on TuneIn. So I have that set up, and I have it set to repeat on weekdays. This is great. Every day now when I wake up to go to work, it will wake me up to my favorite radio station from TuneIn. So these are the 2 new features that came out in the last couple of days. I just wanted to talk a little bit about them, and I think the Alexa Says feature is a fun little personality feature to have in your Echo routines, and the alarm feature is far more helpful and practical tool that had been requested and has been awaited for a long time by me and a lot of people. So they finally did that. It works great, and I can't wait to start using it with my Amazon Echo. Thank you, and I'll see you again in some other video. Goodbye.